It's Tasha with WTI. I want to share with you this stainless steel fridge from LG. I love the sleek design of this fridge. I also love that it's stainless steel. Another thing is I'm definitely a girl who loves compartments and storage, and I love all the shelving that this provides. The freezer is on the bottom, and I find that so much more convenient. I can pull that out. It also has two trays. I can keep ice in one tray or smaller items and heavier, bulkier items in the bottom tray, which I love. This fridge is the perfect size for the space that I needed. We've had it for a while now, and I have not seen any problems. I have not had any issues. It's definitely a high quality and sturdy fridge that I know is going to last me a long time. So I would say that this does wonderful on temperature control, the quality, performance, and noise. It's a great product. I really love this fridge, and that's my point of view.